A successful mindset adopts these habits. Do not take a rest after your first victory because if you fail in the second, more lips are awaiting to say that your first victory was just a luck. Behind the parents stands the school, and behind the teacher, the home. The main needs is difficulties because they are necessary to enjoy success. Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. Those who cannot work with their arts achieve but a hollow, half-hearted success that breeds bitterness all around. All of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. You should not give up, and we should not allow the problems to defeat us. Bird is powered by its own life and by its motivation.